been slow on the updates just because we've been flat out. I've just stopped for a coffee break. Dave's gone to mow the lawns, so yeah, I'll give you a quick update. Old gearbox, just checking alignments and stuff and cleaning up, ready for a spare. Inside, I've rewired pretty much everything because it always had this car. The accessory loom was just a junk old drift loom that we bitted together, and it was just a mess. You couldn't diagnose everything. There's wires piggybacked on wires, there was inline fuses, there's all sorts of stuff. So little panel down there, everything's on Deutsch clips, fuses are all marked, or Deutsch plugs. Everything is easily accessible and you'll know straight away what the problem is. Job done, and rewired all in the back of here, so it's all tidy, clipped together, not going to fall apart. So we've gone backwards to go forwards, and that took a lot more work than I thought. So yeah, stoked on that, but done. Gearbox is in, like I said. Rear end we've started on, rear end and cooling. So where the factory fuel tank is, we've got diff cooler, oil cooler. I put bigger ones in there for the 6 hour than what I ran before, so I'm just doing the fans on those now. Rear coilovers are mounted, we're just dummying up arms and getting positions right. Front's all done, ready to bleed the brakes. So sway bars in, new shockworks coilovers are in, new AP Racing brake set up. I've got 2 sets of front discs and hubs ready to go, so we'll bed those in practice, sort that out. On the other side of it, we've got new PWR oil cooler, so that's actually an RX-7 oil cooler, but mounted at the top there. And oh, it's not there. Somewhere we've got the new power steering cooler. The other one's sitting on these. Oh, here it is here. Yeah, little set wrap power steering cooler, but we got sent the wrong fittings, so we'll sort that out. But that goes pretty much across the bottom here, and there, and then yeah, everything's all in the front, nice and tidy, shielded. Factory overflow bottles back in, ready to go. Got new guards. So Dave's just going to throw a lick of paint on those, so brand new guards, I'm happy about that. Yeah, new engine mounts are in. There's the old, one of the old ones, the other one's cactus. So yeah, I don't know if you can see down there, but new tough mounts. And the new gearbox mount, man, it's lovely. So from Melix Motorsports, the guys hooked it up. So I don't know if you can see that too well, but yeah, a billet gearbox mount, which is pretty cool. And then the thing that's taken up the most of my time the last couple of days, the red rocket. So needed a tow car in New South Wales that kinda could be spare parts. I was going to get a VF, but now racing the V, got a VE, so budget's pretty much gone. So I was on Marketplace, I was driving around Liverpool and Bankstown and Campbelltown, or Camden. If you've been over this way, you might know what I'm talking about, and if you're from Sydney, I'm very, very sorry. But I looked at a few utes and wagons, just so I could put a crap in the back and then have a rolling parts car, so if we need an indicator, a guard, a headlight, an arm, a steering rack, whatever. I've got spares of those, but we've also got a spare car to rob. And pretty much I spend $2,000 on rental cars every time I come over here to race, every time I hire a Ranger or whatever, so this will sit over here at days. But man, Liverpool and Bankstown, I have never been called bro so many times since I left New Zealand. But yeah, Ronda Rousey, the Red Rocket. Dave, we've all got plans because I've got so many parts from the 2 VFs. So we've got a set of Brembos for it, a set of 19s. Oh, and did I mention factory manual? So, and it goes really good. It's a good, clean, honest car. The dude owned it. Him and his dad ran a Green Acres kind of lawn mowing mob. So yeah, done 5 billion Ks, but it'll do what I need to do. So yeah, that man, driving around in Sydney, picking up parts, picking up panels, picking up bits and shits, you've got no idea how much time that's chewed up, but done. But yeah, that's the update, that's where we're at. I'm really stoked. So really good coilovers on the car thanks to Chris at Shockworks, really good brakes now thanks to Josh at V-Sport. I've just got to put the rear rotors on, I picked them up yesterday or the day before, and then yeah, send it. A few new bushes to put in yet. Other than that, I think we're almost there, yeah. But cool, yeah, I'll keep you posted. Cheers. Peace out. How's the Serenity? Look at that. There's ducks over there. Deers haven't come out yet. So good. The puppy dog.